Hey guys, James from CodeWP here, and I'm really excited to announce a free tool that anybody can use without a CodeWP account, which is our AI search for WordPress plugins. This search has been created to solve the problem of finding the perfect WordPress plugin, which I know everybody watching this video has had in the past. Even if you search for the most complex and detailed query on Google, or even in the WordPress plugin repository search, you most likely will not find the perfect plugin without hours of hard work of scrolling through hundreds of pages of results. And that's because these plugin search solutions aren't really solutions at all. This search tool right here is a bit dated. It uses a full text search. Not great. You'll be able to find somewhat related plugins, but it will take a lot of scrolling through hundreds of pages to find the perfect plugin for you. Likewise on Google, if I add a really detailed query, it might find the perfect plugin, but it will most likely find an SEO optimized affiliate link laden article that just gives me a whole bunch of the same. So what we've gone ahead and done over the past couple of months at CodeWP is indexed every single WordPress plugin we could possibly find. This includes the WordPress search repository, so that's 59,000 plus plugins. It also includes many of the premium plugin developers like the Fluent products, like all of the WooCommerce extensions, like every major form builder, every major page builder, everything available on the internet. We've gone ahead and we've stuck it into our leading proprietary database of over probably closer to 65,000 plus plugins. All in this database, all indexed with AI. And when I say indexed with AI, what I mean is we've taken all of these WordPress plugins, we've broken them up into small little chunks, we've used our AI to tag them, to categorize them, to write long and short descriptions. We've created a really awesome database. And the reason we did this in the beginning wasn't for this search product. Instead, it was for our CodeWP AI platform. And the CodeWP platform is a free platform that anybody can use with also pro and agency features. And it allows you to code, it allows you to chat, it allows you to troubleshoot, all with AI for your WordPress website. So if you want to create a code snippet, you can go ahead and do that very easily. If you want to chat about WordPress, ask questions, learn, troubleshoot, things like that, you can do that on the CodeWP platform. To enhance our responses, to make it the most up-to-date, most accurate, most WordPress specific AI possible, we went ahead and we indexed all of these plugins. And we've integrated this into our product and it works really well. But we had this huge database and we had an AI embedding model that found the perfect WordPress plugin specific to any conversational query anybody gave us. And it only made sense to expose this in a free public tool that can solve the search issue that I know I've had and everybody else has had for years in WordPress. There are so many good plugins out there. There are so few ways to find the perfect one. Now, this is the way to find the perfect one. And I'm going to show you a couple examples here. First, I'll start with something a bit basic. Give me something to make my images load faster. And as this loads, it takes a couple seconds. I will go ahead and search for this on WordPress as well. And we can see we have some results, but honestly, for this query, we have horrible results. This image optimizer is really the only relevant tool here, then Hummingbird. Then we have to scroll all the way past maybe lazy load images, but we're scrolling past cookie plugins. We're scrolling past security firewall, translation plugins. These are not the right results for what this query is semantically. However, maybe for the full text search and keyword matching that WordPress uses, this is the right search. And I'm going to just go here and say WordPress as well and see, we see now that there are some good results here, but a lot of these results are created by the makers of their own plugins as well as affiliate websites just intended to get you to click the link to go wherever. Now, if I hop back here, we'll see that my results are much better. We have Imagify, we have make images load faster, we have render faster, we have something with a plugin placeholder name right here. We have WP jQuery lazy load, speed up lazy load, optimizations, things like that. So we have a lot of really relevant results for something that is semantically very easy to understand, but full text wise, very difficult to understand. If I jump into maybe audio embed for Google, and I'm going to expand on this and say, I run a podcast and have multiple shows. If I type this in, it hopefully will give me back a whole bunch of results about audio embed blocks for Gutenberg specifically for podcasts with support for multiple shows. And we can see the first result is a pro plugin called Fusebox, and I've actually used this in my day. It's a really great plugin, and it does exactly what I need it to. We also see a whole bunch of free and other pro plugins that we've indexed as well. A whole bunch of plugins right here relevant to my results. Let's say I want to use bunny.net to offload all of my images and serve. So let's see if there are any plugins that will do that for me. And if I go back to the WordPress repository and click here and say, I want to do this, it's going to give me either 0 results or very few results. And I don't believe ShortPixel supports bunny.net. Don't quote me on that. If I go onto Google and say WordPress, I'll probably find, I actually probably won't find that much information about what I need to do here. And if I go right back to here, I can see here's something that makes a lot of sense. Bunny.net too. Rabbit Loader maybe? Offload Media. I don't know if Offload Media supports Bunny.net, but I do know it helps you offload things to Amazon S3. Yeah, it looks only like that would be Amazon. But we can see here, upload files to Bunny.net file storage zone. That's awesome. That's what we need. Rabbit Loader. This is funny because now with this AI search, it understands the semantics behind things. So it's saying, oh, Bunny's pretty close to Rabbit. Maybe we should return Rabbit. And I believe that Rabbit is a completely different solution than Bunny.net. We have the official Bunny.net WordPress CDN plugin and use Bunny DNS as well, which looks like it's mentioning CDNs a lot, but I don't believe this would be the perfect solution for what we're looking for. But you can see we have a whole bunch of results here, and we can actually expand the results up to 20. We can choose which minimum download count we want, the average rating, the minimum last update, things like that, and really tailor this search to be the best search for us. So this is our new free public tool. We're going to be adding a lot of other AI-enabled public tools for WordPress creators. I think this one's awesome. I've really pushed this tool a lot personally, and I've found some really awesome results of very well-coded plugins that I wouldn't necessarily find elsewhere. I also would love to see what search terms and what results you guys are getting. So join the Facebook group or comment down below. The Facebook group is facebook.com/groups/CodeWP. On this YouTube video, you can comment down below. Comment what queries you're getting and comment what results you're getting in the Facebook group. I'd love to see some screenshots of the results as well, because I think it's really awesome that now we can search semantically for whatever we want. We can search as detailed as possible, up to 300 words per query, and find the perfect WordPress plugins using AI. So have fun using this tool, codewp.ai/tool/plugin search. If you want something more conversational, go sign up for the app.codewp.ai and hop into the chat mode. And until the next video, have fun using this tool.